So nangyari na nga po ang NBTC 2025 Slam Dunk Contest. Ilan sa kasali sa naging patipalak na ito ay itong sila Andrew Miller, Kilom Harris, and kay Noah Patton. At sa first round sinimulan ni Andrew Miller ng isang powerful cockback slam dunk.
He will try to entertain the crowd. The powerful cockback two-handed finish. Let's see. What will the judges score here?
Yeah, that's gonna be
okay. 34.
a 35. So
It's a 35.
all seven
here
from our judges.
So 35 for Andrew Miller. Up next,
Kilom Harris. Scores from the judges. I see 7, 7, 6, and 7.
so that is a total of 34 points.
Again,
Tama ba?
let's look at the slow-mo.
34 points
Na sinundan ni Kilom Harris ng powerful windmill slam.
Of Philham Nation Select.
throws down the powerful windmill slam.
Take a look at the slow-mo of that.
Cards 8, 8,
Wow,
9, 9, 9.
So that's a 43. Tama ba?
Hindi ko alam. Ano one for Kilom Harris as he
No problem.
soars and glides through the air for that windmill slam.
At yung kay Noah Patton, off the bounce powerful one-handed dunk.
For this first round. Oh! What a dunk by Noah Patton.
I know a pattern.
The scores?
43.
Wow! Come on, David.
That is a 46, right?
46.
46.
Move that dunk
That's it. He bounced the ball
off the bounce.
and wow.
Parang Dwight Howard.
I was speechless for that one. So let's see how the judges score for our
High standards from our judges. Okay. Next round.
Sa second round, pinangunahan muli ni Andrew Miller sa isang 360 dunk.
here by Miller.
Wow! 360.
Was that a 360 or 180? I don't know.
Wow!
48.
48.
Let's look at it again.
Oh! It's a
Umarap.
good down.
It's a 360. It's a 360.
He wants the replay.
You watch the replay. It was a very good dunk.
Let's see how the judges will.
Kilom Harris at nagtawag pa nga, kaya lang simple dunk lang sa gilid pa ng dalawang tao.
Come on, Caleb. Replay.
At the conclusion,
The score from the
of
judges. Hey, what is that? What's that, David Carlos?
5-8-8-7-7.
Pero yung kay Noah Patton, super palaban. Nag-ala Vince Carter dunk pa between the legs.
Oh, wow!
Oh my goodness!
Oh, wow!
He went between the legs. Vince Carter to
Wow, that was
a
a perfect 50.
for Kainoa Patton.
Oh,
Wow! Unbelievable hops there from Kainoa Patton.
At sa third round, nilipadan sa ulo ang isang tao. Napasigaw pa nga po mga announcer sa ginawang ito ni Miller.
oh! Wow! You gotta love that one. It's so nice. You gotta see it twice. Let's look at the
Give it
slow
up
replay.
for
Andrew
A
50.
perfect 50 for Andrew Miller. Palakpakan po tayo. Look at this slow-mo replay of the dunk. Wow, he just cleared it. He just cleared.
I like that more than the first one. Let's see how the judges will score this one.
Look at the Jumpman logo pa. We cannot.
Yung Calum Harris nag-offside off the backboard. Powerful two-handed slam dunk.
Now let's see. The pass.
Oh!
Off the side of the backboard and a powerful two-hand slam.
And let's watch the
Up on the scorecard. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10.
Paul Garcia with the fake.
Wow. Puro lang wow nasasabi ko kasi wow talaga.
And let's see.
At si Kai Noah Patton, sayang sumablay lang yung kanyang off the floor between the legs dunk.
Let's see if he can do that. Second attempt. Let's go, Kai Noah.
He bounced it off the floor, got it back between the legs dunk.
Kaya sa dulo, tinanghal na panalo etong si Andrew Miller. At bago nga ang lahat, baka naman po pwedeng makahingi ng isang subscription para sa ating channel or paki-follow na rin po kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating mga basketball update. At kung ito na may makakabigat para sa inyo, kahit isang like and share na lamang po. Maraming salamat po.